Eddie Kirby again. Guys, I'm on building number four. Pipes, the big exhaust pipes, rust and hitting hammer, metal ridge vent. Don't really see, but maybe one leak along this ridge vent. Let's take a look here. That one might be leaking. Maybe, you know, it's just going to be able to come through something like a nail like this, go through. Rack shingles, of course. I'm not seeing any cracking between the courses, so that's good. Flashing looks pretty good right here, except for maybe there's some sort of just funky. I don't think that's a leak. You've got ridge vent again pulling up all the way down. Ridge vent needs to be replaced. But yeah, the flashing looks pretty damn good. No real complaints there. I do see some rot on the ridge vent above us here. Let's see here. That's going to be this one right here. A little rot on this ridge vent. I think it certainly looks like a dip in the roof. I don't have a cell phone on this roof, but I do have somebody's jewel pin. Somebody disposed of a jewel pin of some sort right there. Pink lemonade, I think, is the flavor. So just to check in on that. Oh, and a car key. Some sort of Toyota car key disposed on this roof. All right. Let's see here. Kind of more of the same, just maybe a pipe boot that has to be replaced here. So one pipe boot, collar or pipe boot needs replaced on this for sure. That's rotten. So this is building 4. We're gonna be ridge vents. We're gonna be rusting in primer, stopping the rust on and conditioning 8 of these exhaust vents. I might have spoken too soon. That looks like a cell phone component. Sorry about that, y'all. Some sort of cell phone battery maybe. So there probably was a phone up here at one point. The battery stayed, the phone left. Flashing looks good. Most of the pipe boots look good. Need to replace one pipe boot and all this ridge vent before it starts causing roof leaks. Guys, I'm Kirby Smith with Lightspeed. Thank you guys very much.